Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can customize your character, how you can equip a pet, or how you can change skin and in mangas. So let's start. When I'm going to click online and I'm going to create a game, or you can join a game, it doesn't matter. You can simply just click on the computer right here in the game, and then you can option to change a head, choose a pet if you have one, change the skin, or change game settings and color. And this is pretty much it. So if you can buy pets and skins if you want to, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And this is how you can do it. So thank you everybody, have a great day and goodbye.